Hello, scraps glued over paper, Etsy and YouTube. Woohoo! Stevie and Ashley, and all the links are in the description. So I thought I was just gonna have a small pile to go through. I was looking for gold things to go with the journal or glue book or whatever it's going to be that's underneath all this big pile. And it's like I had my cubbies I thought were sorted, and then I started going through that top row and it's like, oh boy, that's not sorted at all. So here it is right here on top of the table, and I thought I'd go through and see what mess it is. Oh, well, that's where these are. Okay, I have a rolly cart, and definitely can put the letters in the letters and words. Oh, that is getting really full. I'm gonna have to go through that. These are all my different things that I've cut out to use or make small packets. I haven't decided yet. And I will put those over on the table. And then those are obviously my numbers, which I was wondering where those were at when I was going through stuff. Oh, that one's empty. Woohoo! And oh boy. Okay. Oh boy. Oh wow. Okay, just keep going. This book pages. This looks like scraps. What's on the other side? That's just, I need to get my trash over here maybe. But for now, I'll just stick them in the cubby or my tray there. And put that there for now. Scrap paper. Let me put that. Cute. Alright. Okay, these scraps. And this. I'll put that there for now. It's on the floor. I think I kept this for the cardstock color. So they need to go over here with the other stuff. These are maps and oh, I gotta get my trash because I don't need to keep every little piece of paper and magazines. Like, good grief. That's what my whole problem has been, is keeping too much stuff. I really hate to throw out, good cardstock type things. I'm gonna have to re-go through things. And what was I gonna do? Because these are partially colored. Oh, just get rid of them. And this is ad stuff, which is kind of cool because it's not, well, wait, it's this, it's got water damage. Okay. I have to take my, oh yeah, you know, I don't need those. Okay, and then, that's scrap. Put that in scraps. And this is, I'm gonna put this coloring book in a folder, and I'm gonna stick it back in there for supplies. Let's see, what do I got here? These are artsy photos, so I haven't decided what I'm going to do with those yet. And that's scraps. I wonder why all these are separated. It's kind of odd. That can go in the people. Obviously, I didn't have my little rolly cart sorter thing when I was doing this, and I just shoved things. I have a shove things, pile things problem, as you can see me doing it right now. That's a nice piece of colored paper, or some color, nice color. Okay, so those can go there. This is a little thank you note that can go in words. And these are, I don't know, that's scraps. Oh, just don't keep everything. These are people. And these are flower, plant stuff, which I don't have a thing for yet. The maps. I'm going to put the maps back in here. Oh boy. And these are just, these things I need to just put in packets. That's black and white. Alright, I do have a folder that has black and white. Oh, and it stops on the snakes. Woo! Okay, so put these in the black and whites. That. Okay. Black and white. I can put these in packets. Everybody wants snakes in their packets, right? Colored on one side, black and white. Ships and boats. Shells. Okay. I don't know why I put these in here without, I guess I was just doing my process of sort of sorting, and then I have to go through and do it again. These might end up in packets, but I really want to do a black and white journal. So I'm keeping the black and white pages. Oop, there's color. Until I'm done with my, oh, that's cool. Downtown Detroit. And until I'm done with my Halloween and my black and white. Oh. Wait. So, dancers, ballerinas, and dancing. I'm going to put those in the people for now. Dams. Ooh, lots of them. This probably should be a series of mine. 15 minutes of going through piles of stuff. Okay, so this, oh, these are film. Cool. Movie pictures. So I'm going to put movie pictures in people for now, since it has a lot of actors and stuff. Oh, that is so, I love buildings, architecture. I'll put that in black and white. And so, yeah, let's see. I think I might. This needs to go in people. Ow! I just, on this nice cool day, just knock out some stuff in the craft room. Put that over here. That's art people sort of things. I don't know why I got a mixture here. I must have had something in mind, but I have no memory of it. So it's going somewhere else. My thoughts and stuff change, so it's people. Black and white, but it's kind of got some art. Let's color. This one's, these are cut. I'm gonna put those over here for now. I got a big pile over on my other table too. That will be next. Should those be in people? I think I'm gonna put these in black and whites. Just because they're not really people. All right, so we're at 14 minutes plus, and I'm gonna stop here for this video so it's not too long. And thank you for watching. If you're still here, we really appreciate you. And all my things, all my links and everything are in the description. Bye. I will see you soon in the next one.